Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making Irish soda bread. Of course, St. Patrick's Day is next week, so this delicious bread is right up our alley. We will be using a new Omnia product, the Omnia silicone mold Maxi, and all the products you see here will be in the links in the description below. When we reach 3,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway for this Omnia silicone Maxi mold. Yay! If you haven't done so, show Little House of Beans Cooking with Edie some love. Click that notification bell, click that like button, and please do subscribe to Little House of Beans. I am ready to make Irish soda bread. Cheers!